If you've ever searched how to quit porn on YouTube or Google, you've probably come across the term NoFap. Maybe you've even tried it. Maybe you've gone 7 days without porn, 30 days, 60 days without fapping. But maybe you've relapsed so many times that you've lost count. Now, if that's you, I want you to hear something today. Over the last 7 years, I've had the privilege and honor of helping more than 1,800 men break free from pornography. I've worked with pastors, business owners, professional athletes, husbands, men that are fathers, men who were addicted for 20, sometimes even 30 years. But after thousands of coaching calls, one thing has become incredibly clear to me. Most of what the internet teaches about quitting porn isn't necessarily wrong. It's just incomplete. So in today's episode of The Rebuilt Man, I want to share the 15 biggest lessons that I've learned after helping 1,800 men quit porn for good. Because I truly believe one of these lessons could completely change the way that you look at recovery. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Risch, host and founder here. And like I said, over the last 7 years, we've been dedicated to helping men just like you, those caught up in the depths of pornography addiction, take back control, reclaim their identity, and rebuild their lives. So if you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching us here on YouTube, make sure to turn those post notifications on, guys. But let's dive into 15 biggest lessons that I've learned about quitting porn after helping 1,800 men. Lesson number 1 is freedom is not the same thing as quitting porn. A lot of men confuse sobriety with freedom. You could stop watching porn for 30 days and still think like the same man. Freedom is not about counting days. Freedom is about becoming someone who no longer needs porn to cope with life. That is a completely different goal. Lesson number 2 is your relapse usually starts days before you ever open a website. Most men think their relapse happens in one moment. It doesn't. It starts when you stop taking care of yourself. It starts when you stop sleeping, when you stop working out, when you begin to isolate, when you stop praying, when you get overwhelmed. Porn is usually the final domino that drops. It's not the first one. Lesson number 3 is porn is rarely the real problem. For most men, it's the solution that they've been using to the other problems in their life. But it's not a healthy solution, but it is a solution. It's how you learn to cope with stress, loneliness, fear, rejection, anxiety. If you only remove porn without dealing with what's underneath, something else will usually take its place. Lesson number 4 here is willpower is overrated. Systems are what changes lives. The men who stay free are not stronger. They're just more intentional. They have routines. They have boundaries. They have morning habits, evening habits. They don't wake up every day hoping to make a good decision. They've already built a life that makes the right decisions easier. Lesson number 5 here, shame keeps more men addicted than porn ever will. Here's the cycle. You watch porn, you feel ashamed, you go to isolate, you beat yourself up, then you use porn again to escape the shame that porn created. That's why shame is one of addiction's greatest weapons. You cannot shame yourself into becoming the man that God is calling you to be. Lesson number 6 here is every relapse has something to teach you. Most men will ask, why did I fall? A better question is, what can I learn? Every relapse is going to leave clues. What happened before it? How were you feeling? What triggered it? Recovery begins when you become curious instead of just critical. Lesson number 7 is your environment matters more than your motivation. The phone beside your bed, the laptop in your office, late night scrolling, certain social media accounts that you refuse to stop following. Most men think they have a discipline problem. Sometimes that is the case, but sometimes what they have is an environment problem. Make winning easier by making loser harder. Lesson number 8 here is freedom begins when negotiations end. Every relapse is usually preceded by a conversation with yourself. It's just one look. I deserve this today. It's been a hard day. I'll start over tomorrow. The men who stay free stop negotiating. They make decisions before temptation ever shows up. Lesson number 9 is isolation is addiction's favorite place to grow. I've never met a man who built lasting freedom completely alone. Not a single one. Healing happens when someone knows your true story. When someone asks you the hard questions, when someone reminds you who you are on the days you've forgotten. Brotherhood is not optional here. It is a part of your recovery, and that's why we created the school community. You can visit us at school.com/reboot your life to join us for free today. Lesson number 10 is you cannot simply remove porn. You have to replace it. If all you're trying to do is stop watching porn, you're leaving a huge hole in your life. Replace it with fitness, with your purpose, with marriage, with friendships, with relationships, with time with God. Replace it with serving others. Build a life that's actually worth protecting. Lesson number 11 here is your identity is what is shaping your behavior. If you constantly tell yourself, I'm addicted, I'm broken, I will always struggle, you'll usually live up to those beliefs. Instead, ask yourself the question, who is the man I'm becoming? That single question can change everything in your life. Lesson number 12, the goal isn't resisting porn forever. The goal is becoming the kind of man who just naturally says no. And that's a disciplined man, a confident man, a man with purpose, a man with values. What we call a rebuilt man, there's a much bigger vision than simply trying not to relapse. Lesson number 13 is freedom will usually happen faster once you're solving the right problem. I've seen men spend 10 years trying harder only to experience real breakthrough when they address their identity instead of the behavior. When you solve the root, the fruit begins to change. Lesson number 14 is purpose is one of the greatest antidotes to addiction. The men who experience lasting freedom are not perfect. They're moving towards something bigger than themselves, though. They're leading, they're serving, they're building, they're growing, they're evolving, they're transforming. It's hard to waste your life when you're consumed by a bigger mission. Lesson number 15 is every man I've watched experience lasting freedom made one decision. And that decision is not that I'll try. It's not that I'll hope. It's not that I'll see how this goes. They drew a line in the sand. They decided, I'm done being that man. Everything in their life changed after that one decision. But after helping 1,800 men, here's what I've learned is I've learned that freedom isn't about finding more willpower. It isn't about chasing longer streaks. It isn't about white knuckling your way through temptation. All this boils down to is becoming a different man. And that's exactly what we teach inside what we do at the Rebuilt Man. Identity first, system seconds, brotherhood always. Because when the man changes, his habit changes, his marriage changes, his confidence grows and change, his future changes. So if what I said here in today's episode challenged the way that you've been thinking about recovery, I want to invite you to join us inside the Rebuilt Man Unschool. Inside this community, you'll get free access to our 7-day porn reset. You'll get access to a community of men who are all committed to helping you become better. Inside the community, we have the exact same program and framework that has helped 1,800 men before you break free. And if they can do it, I know you can too. Visit school.com, SKOOL.com/reboot your life, or click the link down in the show notes to join us today. And if what we shared today helped you, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to leave us a comment, leave us a review. But most importantly, share this episode with at least one guy that you know you can transform his life. But remember, you do not become free by stopping watching porn. You become free by becoming a different man. Visit us inside the Rebuilt Man community on school.com, SKOOL.com/reboot your life, or click the link in the show notes below. And brother, we look forward to seeing you on the inside.